Hi guys, this is Mr. Main just making a video. Wanted to talk about slide number 10 because it was a little bit challenging and a lot of people were struggling with it. So I wanted to make a quick little video that went through how we have to actually solve problems like this. So if we look at the first one here, number 5, we have 2 to the 5th to the 5x power is equal to the square root of 2. And we need to remember that when we have problems like this and we're trying to solve for x, we need to make sure that we get an exponent that has a base of 2 for both of these, because we both have a base of 2 here. But we need to make sure that this guy here is written with a fractional base. So what we need to do is we need to rewrite this square root of 2 as a fractional exponent. So we can remember there's two things that we need to imply when we look at a square root like this. We can always imply that first this number inside this parenthesis or inside this root symbol, because there's no number attached to it, is like saying it's to the first power. First thing that we need to imply there. Second piece that we need to imply is that because there is no number outside of this root symbol, we can imply that it's not to the first, but to the second, because it's a square root. And remember, when we square a number, it's to the second power. And when we root it, it's the opposite of that. It's the reciprocal of that. So we have our implied 1 and our implied 2. So if we rewrite this, we can say 2 to the 5x is equal to, the other side can be rewritten. Remember, the exponent that's alongside this 2 is our numerator. So it's 2 to the 1 over, and then our denominator is this number that's attached to our root symbol. So it's 1/2. So when we have 2 to the 5x is equal to 2 to the 1/2, these bases cancel out because they're both base 2, and we're left with 5x is equal to 1/2. Okay, so your job is to then solve for x and do the same thing down below, remembering that there is implied numbers here that you need to remember as you move through this when you create a fractional exponent. Okay, I hope this video helped you guys out. Have a good day.